The concept of being born on certain dates and becoming rich is a notion that has been widely debated and explored in various spiritual and metaphysical circles. Dolores Cannon, a renowned hypnotherapist and psychic, believed that the day and time of one's birth can significantly impact their destiny and financial success. Now, according to her theories, people born on specific dates such as October 3rd, December 12th, and March 14th are more likely to become wealthy. In this video, we're going to dive on the idea of being born on certain dates and the likelihood of you having that financial success, inspired by Dolores Cannon's teachings. Cannon's research suggests that the date of birth is not just a random occurrence, but it is actually a significant factor in determining one's life path. She believed that the energies of the universe are connected to specific dates and times, which can influence an individual's personality, talents, and life events. In her book, The Three Waves of Volunteers, Cannon presents a theory that people born on certain dates are more likely to be drawn to spiritual or metaphysical pursuits, which can lead them to financial success. Now, one of the most commonly cited money dates is February 11. This date is considered auspicious because it is believed to carry the energy of the number 11, which is often associated with spiritual awakening, enlightenment, and manifestation. Now, according to Dolores Cannon, individuals born on this date possesses a heightened sensitivity to energies of abundance and are naturally inclined towards manifesting wealth and success. The number 2, February, the month, which also appears in this date, is believed to represent harmony, balance, and stability, further amplifying the potential for financial freedom. Now, next up we have October 3rd. She believed that people born on this date are highly intuitive and have a natural talent for attracting wealth. According to her research, individuals born on October 3rd are often successful entrepreneurs, artists, or inventors who have a knack for creating innovative ideas that bring them financial rewards. This could be due to the energies of the universe aligning with their birth date, allowing them to tap into their creative potential and manifest their desires. Now, March 14 is another date that Cannon highlights as being particularly auspicious for financial success. Individuals born on this date are said to be highly analytical and logical, with a strong focus on detail and precision. According to Cannon's research, people born on March 14 tend to excel in careers that require attention to detail, such as accounting, finance, or engineering. Their analytical minds allow them to identify opportunities for growth and make informed decisions that lead to success. Now, another money date gaining popularity is definitely December 12th. This date is considered special because it contains two repeating numbers, which is seen as a symbol of completion, wholeness, and manifestation. Numerologists believe that individuals born on this date possess a unique ability to tap into the energies of abundance and are naturally drawn towards a successful career or financial pursuit. Other money dates include March 3rd, April 4th, June 6th, August 8th, October 10th, 11 November. Basically, people who are born on dates that are similar as the number of the month. Each of these dates carries a unique energetic signature that is believed to influence an individual's financial destiny. Now, you may ask yourself, why do these specific dates seem to be linked to an increased likelihood of wealth and success? Well, one of the possible explanations is in the spiritual realm. According to many spiritual traditions, certain dates hold a special significance due to their alignment with celestial bodies and cosmic energies. For example, November 11th, 1111 is often referred to as the master number because it aligns with sacred geometry of the universe. This date is believed to hold a powerful energetic frequency that can amplify one's intentions and manifest desires. While Dolores Cannon's theories about being born on certain dates and achieving financial success may not be universally accepted as a scientific fact, they do offer an interesting perspective on the connection between birth date and life path. Her research suggests that certain dates may hold a unique energy that can influence that individual's personality, talents, and life events. While financial success is not solely determined by birth date, it is undeniable that some individuals have achieved remarkable success despite the odds. So whether you're born on these dates or not, it doesn't matter. You can be rich anyway. But what this video is saying, according to Dolores Cannon's teachings, is that people who are born on these dates, because of the alignment of energy and whatsoever, they are very more likely, they have the potential to manifest financial success easily. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day.